Hey guys, back new video, and today we're gonna be playing PUBG. Let's get right to it. On PUBG, let's get it. Guys, I'm out looking for that winner chicken dinner. I call it winner PUBG dinner. winner PUBG dinner. That's what I call it from now on. I scared my cat. I jumped like 50 feet in the air. I'm just kidding. That wasn't me mowing. That was me. That was me mowing. Meow, kitty. Meow, 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 kitty. Meow. Oh, guys, I'm trying to get back on Last Day on Earth, but some technical difficulties is going on with it. I'll have it fixed for you guys soon. Tomorrow I'll be doing it. Yeah, because part 6 we left off with a minigun, dude. I was so happy. Get the winner PUBG dinner. I like how I say PUBG dinner because it's like the whole entire clan. It's like the whole entire map having dinner. But there's only one person. I'm playing a solo. Kitty witty bee. Oh. Can you hear it? It's purring. Purring? Don't hit me. I'm just waiting. It's 358,028 megabytes. Yeah, I'm not downloading. I'm gonna play some PUBG Mobile. Let's get to it. No wonder they put her. What? Good. Going up this airplane. Suicide! Wow! Hello, darkness, my old friend. This is what this is. It's all gray. I like how it glides so smoothly. It looks like we're like flying so slow, but we're actually like flying like 680,000,000 miles per hour. Crazy. 160. Wow, that went up a lot. 234 miles per hour. 234 miles per hour. You guys are the devils. I never should have met you. You guys are the devil. Oh, look at that right at the door. Knock, knock, who's there? Wow, I expected someone. Still got a gun though. Wow, I probably just killed myself. 45 ACP. It's a frag! Run! Wow. People say those things are supposed to shatter, not just. Supposed to go. Oh, you're supposed to hear. Dropping from the sky. I'm on vacation every single day because I love my occupation. I hear so. Uh-oh. What do you? You ain't gonna cover my building. Nuh-uh. You ain't covering my building. Where are you? Where are? Ah! Oh. Hi. Wow. Headshot, boy. She had the same exact thing. Wow. Single. Wow. I want you to go there because so the fucking so. Comment down below if you watch TikTok. Tick, 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 tick. The mutant! This ain't gonna destroy you. I'm not switching this weapon out. Even if it's a Scar or the Jacuzzi, whatever that gun's called. I'm not even switching out for switching out. I love this gun. I will destroy you. What? We have to go to the military? Okay, boy, what do you want? Boy? Where is this guy? I don't know where he is, or he just has, like, really bad aiming. Oh, jeez, man. You have to be such a jerk. Okay, see him. Look at it. This is a boss weapon. 3 shots. Only takes 3 shots. And I'm moving. 3 shots. I hope you guys know that's off of Fast and Furious. Boy! 1 shot. Headshot. So I'm trading that gun. This gun, jerk. Don't hit me. I'm just kidding. I love the Victor, but this gun only got 20 bullets in it. Sometimes people hack in this game. Hold on, guys. I might die. Okay, guys, I'm back with a new video. Okay, I'm back with same video. Jesus. Oh, how dare you! How did my server time out? Oh yeah, guys, I just forgot. I have like a bad connection here, like bad connection where I'm at right now. It's my internet. Cancel, cancel, cancel. No, guys, I'm gonna end it right here. I say like I got 3 kills. Yeah, I say I did pretty good, guys.